Sorry for the bad background music, and also this is Calvin Rachel Jr.'s channel, and I'm gonna do a Bailey unboxing. You see that it's semi IFRIT. It has a code, but I already used the code, so there's no use trying to. There's no use trying to see it because I already used it. Also, it's W145CF attack. And we have a light red launcher, and a red string, and a red ripcord. A light red ripcord launcher, and a dark red ripcord. Okay, the Facebook is IFRIT. This is Samurai. This is IFRIT again. This is W145. This is CF. And let's put it together. I have a baby. What is it about this woman that made you say, I'm going to do this with my hand and say, when she first approached me, I've been at this so many times, and I gave her something off the can, and it's just like, I'm so glad. I really wish I could. Okay, I'm back. Now let's see the next thing. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Okay, let's maybe get my stadium. We're gonna see it in action. Okay? See it in action.